solve this cube root problem, how do you undo a cube root? Well, undo a square with a square root, undo a square root with a square, so how about undo a cube root with a cubed? So then I've got my 10x here, negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. That'd be 4 times negative 2, which is negative 8. And divide by my 10, so that x comes out to be negative 4/5. Just kind of curious, if we use Desmos to graph this, just to double check, use your tools wisely that you have at your disposal. If I were to take the two sides of this equation, the cubed root of 10x, and then the negative 2, and graph them and look for where the graphs intersect, just to double check, like, am I not thinking of something else that might be happening? So a cube root, remember that's a 1/3 power. So we could write this as 10x, outside here shift 6 for a caret, in parentheses 1 divided by 3 to get a third. So that would be a cube root of 10x. Yep, that's what one of ours was. And the other equation, y equals, and here, negative 2. And now looking at this graph, it looks like I might need to adjust my Windows settings here. Probably from one of those last problems, I have something really big in here. So let's just maybe get in here a little closer. See if that's good enough to see what's going on. Yep, so there's my cube root graph, the red line. You can see that looks like what we've been saying. I'm going to adjust those y values a little bit to bring those in. I don't need anything quite that big. There we go, so you can actually see. So there's that point right there, between 0 and negative 1, and then it doesn't look like, because your cube root graph, that there will be any other solution. So let's go back and take a look. Does that match up with what we came up with over here? A negative 4/5. Sure, that seems very reasonable for a solution.